Alrighty, figured I'd record this momentous occasion. We're checking out the trailer wiring, see if the lights work. The old Harbor Freight long reach trailer lights plugged into the 4-pin. Hey, we got 4 of these. Alright. We got 4 of these, we got right turn. We should have left turn. No? Lights. We got running lights. Both sides. Don't touch the brake. You guys let me know if they work. Alright, we got at least 4-pin trailer wiring. Cool. They used to have orange lenses on the other side, but they quit making those. Would have preferred them, but I've had these sitting around in the box for a little while. Never really used them. Kept them as a backup. I don't even have a trailer anymore. So, alrighty. Nice little rig is coming together. I gotta go to work. Bye-bye.